Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set a timer for photos on DJI Osmo 360. If you want to set a timer, simply click on the button on the center of the bottom part of the screen. And it only works in photo modes, because in video modes you need to start it manually. It doesn't have a countdown. But here you can set it to off, 0.5 seconds, 1 second, 2 second 3, 5, 10 seconds. And when it's set to 10, of course, then when I take a photo, it'll count down from 10 and then take that photo. You can also hear some audible signals, so you know where it gets taken. And then also you can see I'm in panoramic photo. You can also set it in single lens photo, I believe. Yes, you also can, but in video modes it's not possible. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.